How to remove age restriction on YouTube app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Official Help Text. Now let's get started. Open your YouTube app. Here we go. At the top right corner you can find your profile icon. Tap on it. With that you will get different options. Now head towards the option of settings. Open it. Now go to the option general. Now over here you will find this option of restricted mode. Disable this option. Now you are able to watch age restricted videos on your YouTube app. Likewise, head back. Again tap on your profile icon. Now go to this option, manage your Google account. Tap on this option of personal info. Scroll down. Over here you will find this option of birthday. Open it. From here you can change your birthday and set it to 18 years old. To be able to watch age restricted video, you must complete 18 years old. So you can just set your date of birth according to that. With that you will be good to go. So this is how you can remove age restriction on YouTube app. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.